Artoonza.
All right, future artists. Are you ready to paint a masterpiece so beautiful it might make your heart skip a beat? Today, we're going to get messy with paints, glitter, and maybe even a little bit of nail polish. Please don't tell my mom. We're going to learn how to draw a heart so sparkly and shiny, it might even try to fly away. Just kidding, it's stuck to your paper. Get those brushes ready, because we're about to paint a heart so big and red, it might even make your dog do a double take. It will also make even the most grumpy cat smile. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Black glitter nail polish? Shh. Never tell my mom. Give us a big thumbs up.
Wow!
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Red. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Glitter time. Let's make it shine and sparkle like a superstar.
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.